Okay, guys, so first time we're using this program, so let's see how we go. If you've got onto your Google Classroom, which you could have entered via going straight to your Google login, or you might have caught the link that I sent you either by our website or Seesaw, you should see something like this. So your first thing is to open your Google Slides. You will hopefully see this URL link first. So you will have already opened this to the YouTube video. It's not on here at the moment because I haven't created it yet because I'm making this video as we speak. So you'll go up to here and open your data set slide, Google slide. You'll then go to your second slide and you've got a picture of various lunch boxes. Now, these are pictures that I've taken over time of lunch boxes within your grades. Because we're not at school, we would have looked at these lunch boxes at school, but we don't have it. So I've just put these together to make this slide. So we're going to use this for our data. Once you've had a good look at that, and you'll refer back to this as we go, you'll go to the actual lesson, which is taking the data from that slide 2 here. And it says on your sheet in column H and I at the top. Now you might say, what sheet are you talking about, Mr. E? Well, if I go back to the classroom here, you'll see there is a Lunchbox data sheet. This is 3-4A's Lunchbox data sheet, but there will be a 3-4B if you're in 3-4B. So you'll open that data sheet. So here is Miss Ferrugia's grade opening up, and that's what you'll see. I've just put some data in here, so I'm going to take that out. So you now have to go back to your picture. So you don't have to go to a picture first, but you'll answer your first question. On your sheet in column H and I at the top, list 2 fruits and more that you can't see in the picture that you may find in your class lunch boxes. So in this column H and I, 2 fruits, you see you've got banana, strawberries, apple, mandarin, kiwi fruit, mixed berries here. You'll put the 2 fruits that you could think of that maybe you can't see there that you might see at other times. It could be, for example, watermelon. Okay, but you will come up with those 2 fruits yourself. So there is the first thing that you have to do. Enter 2 things in those columns H and I. You'll notice columns A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and so forth. Back to our question sheet, and it says, use the Google Sheet with your name on the tab and write in the correct box or cell what each student has. Here are the first 2 to give you an idea. Now the students, we're going to pretend student 1 is the top left, 2, 3, 4, 5 across the top, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it would keep going 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, all the way up to 20. And this is very important. You need to find your name down at the bottom here. I'm just going to move this out of the way, and I'll do a highlight here. You need to find your name at the bottom here and only fill in your sheet. If you can't see your name, go to the scroll bar and scroll along. This won't be a problem Mr. Donington's grade, but probably more Miss Ferrugia's grade. I need to get this out of the way here as well. And at the moment, I'm on Kyan's sheet. Pretty simple. Hopefully. Right, once you have done that, you have to fill in the information. Okay, so how many bits of fruit, etc., are in each sheet? If I can work out how to turn this spotlighter off, but I might go, for example, does student 1 have any bananas? Yes, it has a banana and what looks like an apple to me. So I would go back in here and go, student 1 has 1 apple, 1 banana. And I keep going through. Student 2 has, and I put in my data down the sheet. So you need to look at your data, what's in the lunch boxes, and fill it in your sheet under your name. You will then, I've only got 20 seconds left here, you will then keep going through and answering your questions. In the green boxes here, what is the most common fruit, etc., etc. And then finally, you're going to try and make a chart by